Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a fantasy medieval pouch. You're going to start by taking a piece of paper and folding it in half. Then trace out half of the shape you would like your pouch to be. This will be your pattern. Then cut it out, trimming away until you have a shape you are happy with. Next, take a piece of pleather and cut out a piece that is slightly taller and twice as wide as your pattern. Then lay your pattern on the back and trace it. Do this twice. Then cut out your pattern pieces. Then take your needle and thread. Unroll spool enough thread to go around the edges of your pouch 4 times. Then cut your thread. Thread your needle and then pull the end through until they are the same length. Put your finger in between the 2 threads and pull down to untangle. Then take the end and put it under your thumb on the needle. Wrap the thread around the needle at least 3 times and then pull it down off the needle and onto the thread. Pull it all the way to the end to make a knot. You might be able to see the knot in this picture. Then sew along the 2 pieces of pleather, starting at the upper right corner at the edge of the opening and going to the left, and going around to the left. Then thread your needle through your last stitch and then through the hole that this makes. Repeat this 3 times. Then cut off your excess threads. Take a permanent marker and color along the edges of your pleather. If your pleather's back is the same color as its front, you can skip this step. Then color along the top edge down to about where you would tie the knot, or strand, or string, whatever you want to call it. Then repeat this on the other side. Turn it so the good side is facing out. Use a pencil to push along the seams if you can't get it with your fingers. Then take the scrap pieces you have left and find a piece long enough to go around the top of your bag and still tie. Cut it out. Then color in the back side of this with the permanent marker. Again, if you have the pleather that is the same color, you can skip this step. Then color along the edges. Tie it around the top of your bag, and you're done. Thanks for watching.